Hello guys, I hope you are doing well. In this video, we will give you some tips on how to use Monday for your own business, which is a very useful platform and it is one of the best CRM platforms in the market. Let me show you how you can import an Excel sheet or any document into Monday.com. Let's say I want to import an Excel sheet into this board. All I have to do is go to these 3 points, go to more actions and choose import themes. All I have to do now to go to the Excel I want to upload or to add to this board. Here we have, you click next, you customize your column from Excel that you want to add here. Let's say I want to add keyword, next. Let's keep those by default, next, start import. As you can see, all of the data we have in the Excel sheet has been successfully imported to Monday.com. And this works on any type of files, PDF, Excel sheets, all of them. But preferable to be Excel sheets, so the data will be more accurate. Now we have finished answering the questions we have received about Monday.com. I hope you found this video useful. Don't forget to like the video and share your comments below. And for more business ideas, you can watch any of the other videos. Feel free to share your inquiries related to Monday.com below to answer them in our next video.